Did you know most MSMEs in Indonesia face these problems? MSMEs must have a neat and organized financial report to get better funding opportunities. Aside from that, MSMEs need to understand whether their business is healthy or not. Looking for ways to keep your business healthy? We are the solution, a mini ERP application designed specifically for MSMEs to facilitate the digital bookkeeping process, KelolaBisnis. KelolaBisnis is simple and user-friendly. Recording transactions on KelolaBisnis is as easy as ordering food online. KelolaBisnis boosts business efficiency by up to 80%. Our app instantly generates automatic reports. Just record your transaction details. KelolaBisnis is suitable for all types and scales of business. Use our app to fit your business needs. With all these features, we are ready to help you build a better business. Download now on Google Play